items cost $28 and is marked up 18%. What is the new price? There's a lot of ways to do this, but I'm going to do it with a proportion method today. So the item's $28, that's your whole. We don't know what the markup is. 18 over 100. So then, once we have that set up, we do 28 times 18 divided by 100, and we get $5.04. Now that's what the markup is. The new price would be $5.04 plus the $28, which is $33.04. Next one. You invest $20,000 at 4% interest. How much after 5 years? Interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So you've got 20,000 times for the rate. You got to make it a decimal. So 0.04 times 5. And you get $4,000. Next one, you start with 32 calculators, you end with 21 calculators. What's the percent decrease? This is going to be a proportion. Let me make it bigger again. So, for a proportion, your original number was 32. This is your change. Your change is 32 minus 21. 32 minus 21 is 11%. Percent over 100. And then you just times and divide. 11 times 100 divided by 32 gives us a 34.375% change. Next one, you borrow $40,000 for 3 years at 12% interest. So, how much total will you pay? So $40,000 times 12% interest, that's 0.12. You'll notice it's not the 0 that time because it was already 2 decimals, times 3. So I do 40,000 times 0.12 times 3, and that gives me $14,400 in interest. But the question is asked, how much will I pay in interest? The question is how much total. So I've got to pay back that $40,000 I borrowed as well. So I'm going to add those two numbers together, which gives me $54,400. Okay, the cost was $50, now it is $72. What is the percent change? Again, this one's going to be a proportion, so we're going to set it up like a proportion. So the original cost was $50. The change is 72 minus 50, which is 22. The 72 doesn't go in the problem. It's 72 minus 50 on top. The original number on bottom equals x over 100. So then I do 22 times 100 divided by 50, and I get a 44% change. And our last one, the estimate was 240. The actual was 340. What is our percent error? I'm going to go ahead and make that bigger as well. So for this one, it's not the original number. It's the actual number that has to go on bottom. So the 340 is the actual number. That's the one that goes on bottom. The change is 340 minus 240 is 100 goes on top. X over 100, of course. So then you have 100 times 100 divided by 340. Gives me 29.41 with a lot of ugly decimals, but we'll just round it to 2 decimals. 29.41%. So for this one, original goes on bottom, but actual goes on bottom here. And that's the part that gets confused a lot. Okay, this is your percentage test. You got this.